Welcome to the diffusion of water simulation. In this simulation, you'll investigate what happens to plant cells when they're exposed to various concentrations of sodium chloride or salt solutions. Select the microforceps to take a sample of the plant. Select one of the slides on the tabletop to place the plant sample on that slide. Choose the cover slips on the shelf to place a cover slip on that slide. Repeat this process until all slides on the tabletop have plant samples. Choose a pipette from the shelf. Select the 0.0 molar NaCl solution to fill the pipette. Select the corresponding 0.0 molar NaCl slide on the tabletop. Choose a paper towel on the shelf to dispense the solution onto the slide. Select the waste area to dispose of the pipette and paper towel. Repeat this process of adding the correct solution to its corresponding slide until all slides on the tabletop have been treated. Select a slide to move the slide to the microscope and observe the plant cells. Note which cells remain normal in appearance and which change their appearance. Select the red Close button in the upper right-hand corner to leave the microscope view. Repeat this process until all cells have been observed.